You ready?
Yeah.
Into the depths we go. I drink water IRL. I was thirsty.
Oh yeah. I need
Sounds
to
like
eat.
gunshots. You hear that?
No.
You don't hear the gunshots off in the distance?
Kinda. Wasn't there a guy last time? Or was
Yeah.
that a different bunker?
It was a cutscene. No, it was a different bunker. But it was a cutscene. Yeah, those are definitely gunshots.
Oh yeah, they are. What if it's that same guy?
That might be. I might get a cutscene, so bear with me. Oh my god!
Where are you
Yeah,
at?
yeah.
Where the fuck did you go?
I went into the door.
Um,
I
always turn around and you're not there. The yellow door?
yeah, the yellow door, hun.
Well, I didn't see you go through it. I turned around
There's
and you were gone. Oh my god.
there's people.
Jesus.
Oh,
It's
uh-oh.
definitely a cutscene because it's not
Yeah,
like
it's a cutscene. It's a cutscene.
just it's throwing the babies. Oh.
There's something at play here.
What the hell? Oh the what?
Doesn't look like we're going out that way. I'll wait for you to catch up.
That's a big ass mutant.
Yeah, that's what spawns the babies.
I don't like that.
Let you get your bearings.
You mind if I eat and drink real quick?
Yeah, go ahead. We're not and we're not exiting that way, at least. Seems like there's something more at play. Though, that's for sure.
I have a no, what's that? Okay. Alright. You are behind me, okay.
You ready?
Are you sure we don't go through? That's where we
I'm
came
positive that's where we came in.
in? Okay.
We go this way.
There's always a Roomba.
I know. It's that rich people. Oh, whoops.
Sounds like
Whoops.
crackling.
I did not do that. My bad. My bad. Thanks for the heads up.
Huh?
Somebody said this, not Subnautica. Whoopsies. That should change it. Give me just a second, hon. Technical issues.
Do you hear that?
Yeah, it sounds like babies.
And something else. Something else grunting.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if
Let's
it's
see.
through the straight ahead or if it's to the right. Because there's a room in here and then there's room over there.
I'm gonna change this real quick. There we go. And that should be fixed. Awesome. Thanks for the heads up, Exo King. But if you want to catch some Modica playthrough, I'll be playing tomorrow. Thanks for the heads up. Whoopsies.
Oh, there he is. That's what I hear.
Yeah, there's definitely babies crawling around here. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, you got him. You got him.
You didn't want to go to that other room?
Oh, I mean, we can. We definitely can. Probably like a printer in here or something. Oh, behind you. Oh, oh, I hit you. Ow, 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 ow! Oh, there's a lot of them.
All I have is a book. He's just looking at a fucking book. Put the book down.
Don't freak out, don't freak out, don't freak out!
As soon as I get my weapon, they're dead.
Oh, we can harvest these people for armor. Is there another one?
Are you sure?
I could harvest that one. Oh. I wonder what's different.
And there's a note over here. I'm getting away from this table. Because that was, like, he just was looking at a book the entire time.
I need to put this, armor on. We're a little rusty, that's for sure. Ow! Ow! Help! Help! I'm also looking at the book. I fell for the trap. Get him!
Fuck, man. I'm harvesting him. Harvest you.
Golly.
You're coming through the door.
Ooh. Oh, there's them over here. If you need it.
I very much like it, yes.
Them on the ground.
On the ground?
Yeah.
Ew. Is there a fucking baby in here? Ew.
Is it?
I don't know. What is that?
I can tell you're in the way.
No, it's an arm. It's an
Oh,
arm.
oh,
It's just an arm. They're eating an arm.
oh. Let's see what this says. Hank, this is the book I told you about. Morally accurate. Mostly accurate. I got some for all the residents. Well, you ready for the next room? Kinda got our butts kicked in this one.
You hear that?
Yeah, I hear it. Definitely bad guys. Definitely a lot of bad. Oh, baby.
Baby on the door.
Ow. There's definitely more in here. In here?
If
No.
you shut the door, they wouldn't come.
I think
This
there's
looks a
still.
lot like
I think they still definitely break through that door. Like realistically speaking, they definitely break through that door.
yeah, but then we would know they were trying to come in that room at least. What's all these little? Oh, they're golf balls.
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't know what they're used for necessarily. Speaking of which, cover me. I'm going to make some of the tech armor.
Okay. Tech armor. Into our golden armor. Can't we wear that?
We can.
Oh, I got a golf club.
Oh, nice. That's in here. Where's the golf
I'm gonna
club
put it
at?
on. It's sticking out of that guy. Whoa. Oh, that's that thing.
I'm gonna make some more. I got plenty of, oh. I got plenty of this stuff. I'm just kind of wasting it at this point.
To get rid of it, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think that other armor stuff is worth it?
Not really. It's too expensive.
I don't know if it's stronger than the armor we're picking
I think
up
it's like
from-
slightly stronger, honestly. but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on.
Okay.
Oh, tech mesh? How do you make the tech armor, hun?
Uh,
Oh my god, that's expensive. I don't think that's even worth it. That's really expensive, actually. I thought you printed out your tech armor. Golly.
you print out a
That's
piece and then you
expensive.
put it together with the other stuff.
Dang. Well, yeah, I see that now. Where's this golf club you speak of? Oh, I see it. What are the stats? What are the stats, huh? Oh yeah, we got a chainsaw. I forgot. Golf club.
It's hard to swing though.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's
Like it only lets you swing and tear something up, and it takes a minute to like come back around.
yeah, it's
So if they're fast,
definitely not as good as your axe. That's for sure. Not as good as Fireman axe, but I think there's something better in here that we get later on. Just keep your eyes peeled
okay.
so we don't miss it. How good is your armor looking?
It's pretty. It's all the way up. I put the gold
Oh,
one
okay.
on.
Okay. Oh, I don't think it's as good as we think it is, but we can see.
Should I trade it out for the other stuff?
No.
Okay. Well, if it gets damaged, I'll just put the other stuff
Because
on.
I know you take health damage in that armor.
Can I put the other ones on?
Yeah, I can.
I feel like it's too late now. There's
I'm not.
creepers.
Yeah. There's creepy on the other side of this. I'll tank it. There's babies too. Ew, ow, ah! Please. Golly. Oh my gosh.
Damn, baby.
Get back here. We got more baddies coming through here. Oh, golly. He's tearing me up.
You need help?
No, I got it. I got it. Yeah, he's right there. I'm surprised you didn't see him.
That was a tall. He's tall.
Can you harvest that one? Yeah, that one, I don't know if that's the normal variant,
It doesn't look like it.
but they're tearing me a new asshole, honestly. They're not holding back. Anything else in here? Yeah, I knew y'all are back here. Being sneaky.
Is it babies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Freaking babies. I'm pretty sure I got them.
Sometimes they don't die all the way. A fish. Raw fish.
Oh yeah? Hmm.
Louise.
Nothing else in here?
Some more ammo and money.
Ooh, oh, okay. I'll take the ammo.
Ballerinas. And shmoney.
Alright.
Got a lot of offices that look.
Doris, Ed's
There's a
Ed's
note over
very
here.
worried about the rift opening. He's having some visions of something very bad happening. Ooh. What you got here? Oh, okay. Ed's having dreams about Gold City again. I don't know what to do. Barb. Huh. Interesting. I'm gonna pull out the handgun. Not trying to die up in here.
Well, I want to pull the shotgun out, but I don't know how much ammo I have.
Probably not much.
Go in here or no?
Yeah, let's go in here. Clear this out.
I don't see any. This one has
Ooh,
cats.
you'll like this one.
That's cool.
Now
Is it better
this is supposed to be a lot better than what we got.
than
Let
that?
me look at the stats. Yeah, it's better than what we have.
Okay.
That's what I was talking about.
Okay. I think it's cute that there's cats everywhere.
Yeah, it's like the little Japanese cats, right?
Kind of.
Or some of them are. Maybe not. No. Definitely bad guys on the other side of where we're supposed to go. Over here.
Yeah, it is killing them with a.
Yeah, there's definitely bad guys. Oh, it's so much quicker. Oh, yeah. It's so much quicker. I did quick work of that, baby. No, die, die. Did you harvest that one?
Yes. I don't need to harvest very much though. If you still need armor. Whoa, it's dark in here.
Oh, I know it.
Damn.
Any more ammo?
Batteries.
Ooh, hey, look.
No.
We got, oh, what's this?
Looks like a spacesuit, dude.
Luxury bunker discovered. What do we pick up? What was that?
Light bulbs, more batteries. Oh, I can't.
What do we pick up?
Batteries.
It's not the tuxedo. Oh, it is spacesuit. That's cool.
I was about to say, that's what it looks like. Plenty of batteries around though.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't
so
need any batteries.
watches, money.
Oh, they got some good fishing areas around here.
Fishing gear?
No, fishing areas.
Oh, gotcha.
So now we got the last, we got the last little area. That we got the coordinates for the last area at least.
That we have to go to?
Yeah.
Whoa, what's down there? You go past that area?
Huh?
There's a little downstairs thing over here.
Oh, hey, it's the guy we've that we saw earlier.
I'm just gonna take a peek.
Oh, yeah, we're going that way, hon.
Down the stairs?
Yeah, we're going down the stairs.
Oh, you're just
I-
checking that other spot over first.
I think there's a way over here too, isn't there?
See, I would get lost in all this. It all
Hmm.
looks the same.
We missed something.
What are we missing?
Oh no, it's caved in. That's why we can't go down here. That's
There's
probably
another-
where we're going.
The other.
There's another creepy. There's creepy on the other side of that window.
Whoa, so dark.
Oh, I guess we let him in, huh?
Oh, it's like a person. Yeah.
Yeah.
Unlock.
Everything else down here? How far does this go down?
I don't know.
Oh, man. Okay.
Well, I need to stop and drink something here in a minute, though.
Okay. Oh no, we can't go through this door. Oh. Jesus. Oh, this is... No. Let's go clear that other level and then we'll just go further down, I guess. Oh, was there another level? Am I tripping? I think I'm tripping. So we just came through here, right?
Yeah. We went all the way down to 4?
There, we gotta go 3. That's the
3.
top. That's where we came out of.
Doesn't it let you unlock it from up there?
Oh, we can't go through here. Oh, okay. So we gotta go down here. Hmm. Interesting. Oh, we
You can
will
open
need
this door?
this.
Whoa.
Come in here real quick.
Oh my god.
Oh, what'd
Oh.
you do?
I got scared of some bats.
Oh,
What do I need in here?
pick up the... Just look around real quick. Just look around.
Okay, I'm taking a drink of something real quick.
I don't know why cereal next to this dead body, but...
They were hungry. That was their last meal. Was the munchies, crunchies.
Did you pick up this thing on this guy right here?
The guy? The mask?
Yeah.
Oh,
There you go.
okay. It'll let me wear it?
Yes?
Where do I equip it? Where is it? There it is.
Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, it goes. I don't know if it goes with the ancient armor or what.
It might. Maybe it's like a key. I think it's something for the last area. I just know we needed it.
We need it?
Yeah.
We
I
have to
need
look a
drink.
certain way?
Well, I think it's a key. Like key cards we've been getting.
The mask is a key?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. I'm all good. Y'all ready?
It's creepy in here.
Alrighty.
Lots of bones.
Lots of bones. I'm glad we got the samurai sword though. That's pretty dope.
Yeah. Is that what you have in your hand?
Yeah.
I need to equip that again. Where is it at? There it is. So creepy to hear the wind.
Oh, I know.
How do you, no.
Huh?
There we go.
Oh, I crouched. Yeah. They're ready? Or,
Yep.
well, I'll wait for you to catch up.
Thanks.
Alright.
Just a foot over here.
See where we pop out at. Oh, we're like on the... We're on the beach. A dang helicopter. Not coming to pick us up. God dang it.
Still.
Oh, it's right next to the golf cart.
There's some guys coming from behind us.
That's okay.
Oh,
Where do we go now?
do we need the canoe for anything? Remember that canoe we saw?
No, I don't think so.
Because I think it's over here. Maybe not. Yeah, it is. It's over here.
I think
Oh,
we...
it's broken.
Oh, that's funny.
Gosh darn. That looks like another cave over there. Across the water.
We went into that cave, remember? That's where the spaceship is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think I know where we're supposed to go next. You want to go check it out?
Yes. I'm trying to put this.
I think it's on the beach, actually, believe it or not.
Trying to put my flashlight away. There we go.
Let's cross this real quick.
The bridge.
Yeah.
Watch.
I think you missed.
Get you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Did you want to comment on my aim?
Oof. And that's where you go. Watch out, there's a tree there. How do we get there? Hold on. How do we get to the beach? It's
The
like
beach by
down
our base?
here. No, it's this beach. It's like right up here. Oh!
Doesn't have brakes, huh?
Not very good brakes. Oh! Almost toppled over. So, okay.
That's a big camp.
I know. We're gonna cross the river this way. Let me console the map. Like 2 orange spots down here. I want to check those out too. See what we're working with. Come on, baby, come on.
Oh!
Oh, come on. Yeah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah! Let's do a little circle around. Oh, uh-oh. Oh. This totally knocked me out of that.
Whoa!
Oh, heads up. Behind you! Oh my god. Help. Get her! Get her! She's not dead. Other one behind you.
Wait.
He's dead.
Oh, red one.
Oh! His cheeks are just in my face. Ow, ow, you hit me that time.
Cut his head off. There's 2 more behind you. 3 more, actually.
Oh, I see him. Ow. The heck hit me that time?
Get it. Are you attacking me? Who's attacking me?
Oh, I'm swimming. He's taller than me. Not a 5'11" king. No! Get this guy. I am almost at 0 armor.
There's a lot of them. Oh, come on then.
Tell me about it.
Yeah.
Save the golf cart.
I tried pushing it out, but it got attacked again. There's another guy coming after us. Alright, get him without it turning me into swimming. Come on. Come on. Oh no! Did you see him do a handstand?
Yeah, I saw that.
What was that about?
He said he's gonna bust a move on you. It's like JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. See the wildest things.
Yeah, run away, bitch. Up the tree.
Okay, I got the golf cart free.
Come on. She ran away. Oh, there's a beach down here.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Oh, wow, there's a lot. There's a big camp for them down here.
Well,
They got a whole fucking civilization over here. Where'd you go?
you ready to commit some genocide? That's what I like to hear. Leroy Jenkins! Woo! Oh.
He's running after the car.
Oh, that didn't work as I thought it did. Just back up, hit him again. Oh my gosh, I didn't get enough momentum. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I'm taking health damage. Oh, got him.
Oh,
Boom! Ow.
oh, careful. I did not know you were coming up. Ah! You! They keep coming back alive and throwing spears. Die. Are they dead? These ones are dead. Any more you see? Yeah, there's some more on the other side. There's a shit ton of them on the beach. Jesus.
Golf cart genocide always works. I'm not gonna lie. Behind you. Oh, you're chasing one.
Come back here.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna let him get away. Oh, whoops. Gotta let him get away. Alright, get back here. No survivors.
That's the one that was running away from me to begin with.
Dead now.
And they got turtle shells that we can steal.
That's right. Tear up their stuff.
That's 100%. That's what I'm gonna do.
I gotta take some medicine. Somebody wanted to hit me.
Okay, look. You drove into the sword.
And blew me up.
And blew you up?
Yeah.
I'm about to blow you up again.
Hey.
Got shoes in here.
Alrighty. Yeah, tear this crap up.
Oh, there's some more stuff down here. There's a bunch of like boxes over here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we did pretty good with that one. Oh, there's a lot of ammo around. Make sure you pick that up.
In the containers? Or by the camp?
In the containers.
Back up this way. I see one running down. Two of them running down the hill.
Oh, MRE's nice.
Full on rope. Just a bunch of trophies.
Yeah, that seems about it. More 9mm ammo. I'll take it.
There's another camp over here, but I think there's more people alive. Starfish. I got 2 turtle shells, and I didn't even have to kill a turtle.
Wow. Let them do your dirty work, huh?
Pretty much. Oh, there's more whales over here.
Whales or sharks?
Those are whales. These are like orcas.
Oh, okay. Hey, Ron Jenkins! Oh my god. This golf cart getting stuck on stuff. Oh, I'm in a sticky situation. Oh, this is so good though.
Hush.
Arm chopped off.
Oh, another turtle shell. I got 3 of them, and I'll let you take 3.
Oh,
There's another one over here by the beach if you want it.
I now have 3. So where's Spot at? It's across the way. Across this bay area.
So
Well, when you're ready, of course, we go across.
you hear the ammo over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I kind of want to make some rope or some armor. How much armor do you have now?
Like half.
I don't have any armor, so I'm putting on the ancient armor. See how well that does me. Actually, hold up. Do you? Okay, so yeah, ancient armor. Just gonna wear that, I guess.
The seagulls are driving me crazy.
There's like a little lookout up here.
Oh, cool. How'd you get up there?
There's a rope.
Oh, okay.
There be a rope. There's nothing up there, but that's cool.
Yeah. Pretty neat.
Now you can make a tree house, but I didn't think it was gonna be that good, so we didn't go that route. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Across the way we go. Oh!
Shit.
Slice him up. Slice him up. We
Where's
didn't
the
finish
other
him off. Down here. We got him.
one? Damn, they came fast.
I pushed it. It's alright.
Just ran it.
I don't know. Tell me about it. They tried to bonk us. Should be able to cross here.
It throws me off when they wear like regular shirts and
Oh,
shit.
I know. There's a random golf cart out here too. Two.
What are those sticks?
I think they're just I don't
Like
think they're
here?
anything, but check them out while we're down here. Yeah, like a pier.
It's just here.
I mean, there's stuff up here.
Neato.
Oh, MO, unfortunately.
Batteries. I got too much rope, actually.
I got a lot of batteries. I got all the stuff we need. Besides armor. Really? Oh, there's another crate back here. MRE? Eh. Now we're stopping for. What's over here? Ammo?
Screwed.
MRE? I'll take it. No. Here's a drink. More rope. Plenty of rope.
I need to make some stuff with what I've got.
Yeah. Well, that sucks.
What do we need at the beach, then?
There's a spot up here. I think it's the last area we have to go into, so we can peek our heads into it.
Where the smoke's coming?
Yeah, but we definitely need to get like suited up to go in there.
Oh, okay. So we need to make more armor.
Yeah. It's like right up here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Flashlight.